Most interesting thing in tech, Anthropic, OpenAI, and Block, in partnership with the other big AI companies, Microsoft, Cloudflare, Google, have created something called the Agentic AI Foundation. And they've taken the protocols that they've written for their agents and passed them over to this new foundation. So what that means is that the underlying infrastructure on which future agents are built will be kind of standardized and open source. So Anthropic has taken MCP, the most famous one, and they no longer control it. It will be controlled by this foundation, which sits under the Linux Foundation. So why does this matter? Well, there was a risk, and there was a risk that there was going to be kind of battle among the big AI companies to develop the core standards for agents, and that the web would work better if everything was standardized, but that would eventually mean that the web would really require one of the companies to win. And that could lead to monopolization, it could lead to fragmentation. So this shift helps with that. It means that in a future agentic web, when I have my agent and I want to order a pizza from the pizza restaurant, and the pizza restaurant has their agent interacting with me, maybe there's a third agent in the middle, it means that they'll all be built on the same architecture and be able to kind of communicate with each other. It should, I think, make the agentic web be fairer, more democratic, and probably better for consumers. I also like that the details are far from worked out, from what I can tell from the early reporting on it. Open source is generally better, and it does seem that regular developers will be able to contribute to this project. It's also interesting geopolitically. One of the reasons, there's a Wired story about this, that is quoted for why the American AI companies are doing this, is because they're worried about competition with China, which of course is so far ahead in open source. I don't know how this is going to play out, but in general, I do think that open source is good. I do think that this kind of collaboration is good. And I do think that standardization of protocols early in the development of a technology is good. So ultimately, I think this is probably a smart move that will work agentic AI work better for regular people. All right, that's the most interesting thing. Tech, see you tomorrow.